is shining, it's very bright. Eyes aren't acclimatized to such brightness. We've had so much rain and bad weather recently that it's nice to have some sun, which is perfect cooking weather. Today I'm going to be using the Ooni Koda to make a Neapolitan style pizza. So let's go make it. The pizza's done and it's on full flame, so let's just put the pizza in. Let me just check that it can come off the peel. It can. Let's put it in. So good tip, if your pizza sticks onto your peel, just put a bit more flour or semolina underneath and check it before you launch it into the oven to make sure it moves. Otherwise it'll get half stuck on and half stuck off, as I've experienced myself. Another tip is, when you get into the winter, your dough, if you warm it up at room temperature, it still might not be warm enough to cook. So you need to make sure that it's warm enough, and I do that by putting it in the airing cupboard to get that extra warmth into the dough. Let's check this. Done. The great thing about the Ooni Koda, it's always such a fast cook on full with the Koda 16, which is absolutely great. I bought my first Uuni oven in 2017. It was the Uuni 3, and I used it with a pellet burner, and I learnt from there how to, well, I made a lot of mistakes, but it's been a real journey for me learning to cook pizza, and I'm so glad that Uuni was launched at the time that I was interested in buying a pizza oven. It just happened at the same time, and that's why I bought the oven. When the Uuni 3 came out, I quickly decided that was it. I had to have one of them. And I love cooking outside anyway. A basic Neapolitan style pizza is definitely one of my favourite summer dishes with the basil on it. Got a lovely crunchy crust have it. Yummy pizza in the Uuni. Take care everyone. Enjoy National Pizza Month. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.